everyone, welcome to my channel.
DM Electrical Tutorial.
Ang topic ngayon ay tutuloy natin ang pag-wiring natin ng silencing control circuit. So, yung the last video, gumawa na tayo ng circuit diagram na ito. At ito na yung float switch natin instead pressure switch. Dahil wala tayong pressure switch, itong gagamitin natin float switch. Ito yung float switch na gagamitin natin. Okay? So, yung isang wire niya nakakabit sa line 1. Ang line 2 output niya ng itong relay pag nag-contact pupunta sa normally close. Kaya pag nag-activate itong close, start ka agad ang horn, buzzer, dahil nakakonect siya doon. Then at the same time yung amber light is flashing. This amber light here is flashing because nakakonect din siya dito sa line 2. And kapag ni-reset natin yan, itong normally open dito, contact ng relay, itong relay na normally open, change contact to close. So this one here, relay normally close, change to open contact. This one is disable, or buzzer or horn stop. Okay, but this amber light continue still flashing because puno pang tubig, itong float switch is na-activate, continue pa rin ang flashing kahit na-reset na natin yan. Pero pagbaba ng tubig, kakarga ulit ng tubig, ganon, same procedure. Mag-alarm ulit, puno ulit, magkukontak ito, horn or buzzer, start again dahil ito. I-reset natin, ganon din mayayari. So, okay, ito yung ginawa ko na nakaraan, nag-winag ko na. Bago ko i-ward, ipakita sa inyo, ito yung line 1, line 2 natin na breaker. So, naka-turn on na, may power na tayo. Kung napuno ng tubig, ito ngayon tataas. Pag tumaas yan, ma-activate yung horn, saka at the same time yung amber light. Active amber light. Hininaan ko lang siya kasi nasa loob tayo ng apartment. Baka kaya na may sunog. So, hininaan ko siya. Ngayon, pag ni-reset natin, press natin yung reset, nakataas pa rin siya. I-reset natin, now itong close, naging open. Pinilis natin the reset. No, number here. We will wire now this line 1 and circuit number 2. We're gonna jump here and jump here to push button and to normally open. This terminal 10 for normally open relay and terminal 6, and this terminal number for relay 9 and 0 normally close going to here. We're gonna use wire number 3, number 2. Alright, so di-disconnect ko muna tong wire. After that, pag wiring na, I will take video. Alright, I have to turn off this one first, then I will continue disconnecting and video again. Right, okay. Dinisconnect ko na ang ibang wiring pero hindi ko tinanggal lahat. Hindi ko na dinisconnect lahat para hindi na tayo magtagal. Pero i-explain ko na lang sa inyo itong connection dito sa relay. Ito yung terminal ng relay 10 and 6. Ang terminal ng relay na normally close is 9 and 1. Okay? So, tuturo ko na lang sa inyo para hindi masyado mahaba. Okay, we will start from float switch line 1. So, ito yung float switch natin. Kukunin natin yung isang red wire is, kumbaga red, brown wire is line 1 natin. Connect natin sa line 1. May power siya dyan, pero off siya naman siya dito. Walang power kasi naka-off siya, okay? So, safe tayo. So, yung neutral pala, nandito na yung neutral, hindi ko na tinanggal. Ginamper ko na dito, may supply na tayo sa neutral sa relay. Ito yung relay, may supply na. Ito, nakakabit na. So, ito yung relay ng amber light natin. Ito siya. Kakabit na rin siya natin dito sa white wire. Okay? So, relay line 1 nakakabit na tayo dito sa terminal block. Okay. So float switch line 1, kabit natin sa line 1. Okay, line 1 float switch. Yung output ng float switch kabit natin sa terminal number 2. Ito yung terminal number 2 natin, jumper na yan. Hot wire na gitnahan dito. Yung isa, patay naman siya. Okay. Lagyan natin dito. Ngayon, jumper ko yung 2 because 2 going to normally close. This is normally closed here. Terminal 9. And this is amber light number 2. This is amber light natin. Okay, kabit ko muna itong amber light number 2. So amber light number 2 nakakabit na sa terminal number 2 here. The next one is number 2 is relay normally closed. This is number terminal 9 here, terminal 2. So terminal 2. At ito yung amber, nakakabit na. Next one is terminal 2. We need number 2 wire going to reset button. Number 2. Go to here, terminal number 2 here. 2 going to reset button. This is our reset button, normally open contact. Number 2, 10. Going to number 2. Number 2 here, going to number 2. Terminal 10 normally open, connect to number 2 here, jumper. Okay, and then this one, output of reset button normally open. We need wire number 5 going to relay and going to normally open here. So this number 5 going to this relay going to normally open. Yeah. Now we need normally open here going to this one connected already. We need jumper here going to normally open contact. So this is terminal 6. This terminal 6 relay here normally open, 5 wire. Terminal 6. We can connect here or here, but we will connect here. We will connect here or under here. This open, we can connect here or here. This is the one here. Okay, we will connect here. And now done. This amber light going to neutral. This amber light is going to neutral. This amber light here. And this horn going to neutral. This horn is going to neutral. And one horn going to number 3 going to normally close. Already connected here. Number 3 normally close the horn. Okay. So this horn already connected to normally open. So that means contact connection is done. Finished. Testing na natin guys. Okay. Turn on. Float switch is water is low. So when water is full, amber flashing alarm is humming, and then when operator receive this press this button, this one normally open will close, this normally close will open, the horn stop. Right? See? When you press this one is changed to normally close, this normally open become close. So this one here is disabled, stop, because this is full, this is energized here, contact here, the circuit going to amber still flashing because this water is still full, the float is still contact. When low, then when open this contact, when lower this float switch, itong natin is disable. Okay? So when disable, all the circuit here is no power because open there. So when water is filling again, the pump filling again the tank and full again, because normally closed, it's on again. So you have to reset again. Press reset. Press reset. When you press reset, this one is open. So horn is stop, and this one here close. That's right. That's only. Okay. That's only, guys. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Right? Okay. Bye.